Well, as you can see, everything's going swimming. We have a nice little landing area here in the grass. You know exactly where all the action is up there. It's an absolutely stunning place here. Just look at that. Everything is just on the nose, perfect, except perhaps for what you can hear in the background, which unfortunately for us is a bit of rain. But of course for the local people it's absolutely fabulous, because it's a drought this year and they're really suffering in this part of the world. Very strange weather. So I guess if it just pours down for the rest of the day, we have to remind ourselves that far more people will be happy than us. But look at that mountain. That's it right there, basically above Yee's head there. That's the spot, we know because we've got it all lined up with a compass. As you can probably hear now, the rain has stopped. So we're just back to this beautiful, spectacular view. I mean, what a spot. And we learned some interesting things on the way in. So that's where Forrest went down there, just above Yee's head there. He said he heard dogs when he was up there all alone. Well, I'll tell you why. Just over there, see that vertical tree and then the little bushes, trees to the right? Well, just beyond that was a village. In fact, the village which we started this adventure in with a Naiban down the bottom, way back down there, he said that during the war they all moved up into this area, not as high as here, a bit where we were before, down in the river gorge. And so they were here for the whole deal. And they, you know, were taken care of by the Vietnamese. They said there was Vietnamese bases all over the place. They said the Vietnamese fed the people, took care of them, and of course they helped them, because, as they said, they were all on the same side at the time. I forgot to say, we just had a little competition between the boys to guess how far away, where the base of the cliff is. One guy said, what was it, 800 meters? One guy said 1,000 meters.
And one guy said 500.
500, and they were all wrong. But the winner, as I said, was going to get a case of beer tonight. We've checked the, I've got a compass thing with it all marked out. It's actually 1.66 kilometers. So, no problem. These drones can go 7 kilometers. But anyway, we can have, anyway, so the winner is that guy there in the white hat, the lucky boy. He's gonna
the guy with the white hair.
yeah. He's gonna be in trouble with his wife tonight.
His name is Noob.
Noob.
Yeah.
What are the names of the other guys? I forgot, sorry.
Sue.
Yeah.
Sue. And I think Don.
Don. Yeah, you were just talking to the guys. Can you just tell me a bit more about what's going on here? You know, why all this area is being cleared, and is it a crop, or is it a vegetable, or what's going on?
These plants, for local people, they used to make broom.
Make a broom?
Yeah.
Oh, really? Okay.
The house.
Yeah.
But now lots of people, they start to export to China or Vietnam.
Yeah.
And then some people say they use to make a fiber.
Really?
To make a cloth or whatever.
Right.
Yeah. And also this one, smaller one.
Yeah.
The people, they used to build a house.
Oh, really?
For the house.
So, how long ago was this bit of forest cut down?
And even that's about a year or 2 years.
Oh, so a year or two ago, this was all jungle?
Or 2 years.
2 years.
Probably this one started from last year.
Oh,
yeah.
There you go, Forrest. Once again, you've rolled 3 double sixes. There's diddly squat chance we would have got up here if it wasn't for this. So this is actually a crop. Is there any plan to grow dry rice up here at any stage?
Too far. I think too far for the people. They can do it, but too far to carry back to the village.
Right.
Yeah.
So what kind of animals are up there when they go hunting?
Me, yeah. Ling. Monkey.
Yeah.
Monkey. Bird.
Yeah.
Squirrel.
Any tigers?
Yeah, the boy just told me it's about last couple hours.
Yeah. Oh, really? Once we were in the forest. Great.
Yeah, they said it probably some tiger up here, but
He seen. Who saw the footprint?
two boys.
When did they see the footprint?
And then หอยเสื้อนี่เห็นโดนหรือเปล่า
ไม่ใช่บึ้งแต่ปีกายมันก็เห็นยามเพื่อไปเอาแคมเห็น
from last dry season.
What? You mean like
Like
a couple of months ago?
yes, about a few months ago.
Where?
Just around here.
What?
Because the people they came here, they collect the broom plant, and then they said they saw it
They saw the footprints.
of the tiger.